Hi, welcome to my channel 3D Multimedia, and today we are going to import an image to Photoshop, and we are going to remove the background of that image, and we are going to fill a new background, that is a colored background, to that image. So let's start now. Let us go to folder where we have collection of images. Let me select and drag and drop it to Photoshop. By pressing the Alt key, I'm going to resize it and just click on the check mark. Now you can see that image is got placed on the top of my background layer. Let me go to the select menu and click on the subject. Once it is done, just wait for a few seconds till the selection happens. Then just go to the layer and click on new. Inside the new, we have layer via copy. Just click on that, or you can use the shortcut key Control plus J. Select it, and now let us go to the layer where which refers as to. Let us disable that. Now you can see an image with no background. Okay, so choose let us pick any color from this color palette and choose a rectangle and just draw on the top of this image. So once this is done, choose this rectangle and place it below layer 1. So with this, we have filled a new color to the background of that image. Thank you.